Have you ever wondered why traditional real estate transactions can be so time-consuming, confusing, and expensive, and why the whole process is so low-tech? Get ready for that to change with Bundle Select. Bundle Select puts the entire process under your control, all in one place. Our platform saves you time and money by bringing trusted realtors, lenders, and title companies together to simplify the process and compete for your business. It doesn't matter if you're buying or selling a home. Just enter a few details about your transaction. You'll immediately see the benefit of bundling services because you'll automatically save 20% or more compared to traditional market pricing. Even if you already have a realtor, you can still benefit by using Bundle Select to find everything else you need. After your submission, you'll be contacted by a Bundle Select concierge who will assemble the perfect team of providers for your transaction and confirm your final savings. Your personal concierge will act as your advocate throughout the whole process, ensuring a seamless transaction from sign-up to closing. Let Bundle Select take the headache out of buying or selling your home, all while saving you money. Bundle Select. It's home made easy.